It is possible to include eggs in a diet that is well balanced and to obtain specific nutrients that may be advantageous for the health of the joints themselves. Nevertheless, it is of the utmost importance to be aware of the fact that there is no one food that can be regarded a cure for joint pain. Instead, general dietary patterns, lifestyle variables, and the advice of medical professionals make significant contributions. The following are some different elements of eggs that may be relevant to the health of the joints. The first is protein. Eggs are an excellent source of protein that is of a high quality. Both the maintenance and healing of tissues, including the cartilage that is found in joints, require protein as a vital component. The structural protein collagen, which can be found in cartilage, is essential for maintaining healthy joints. The omega-3 fatty acids are as follows. There are certain eggs that have larger levels of omega-3 fatty acids than others, notably those that are labeled as omega-3 enriched. Because of their anti-inflammatory characteristics, omega-3 fatty acids may be able to alleviate joint discomfort and relieve stiffness. Vitamin D. No citation. There is a natural source of vitamin D in eggs, which is essential for the body's ability to absorb calcium and maintain healthy bones. It is possible that maintaining healthy bones can contribute to the general health of joints. 4. Choline. Choline. There is a high concentration of choline in eggs, which is a nutrient that is essential for the preservation of the structural integrity of cell membranes. Because of this, joint health may be indirectly supported. B vitamins are as follows. Eggs are a good source of a variety of B vitamins, including B12 and folate, which are essential for the proper functioning of cells and may also help to overall health. Although eggs have the potential to supply these nutrients, it is essential to keep in mind that they should be consumed as part of a more comprehensive and well-balanced diet that consists of a wide range of foods. It is also possible for individuals to have different reactions to the foods they consume, and some people may have certain dietary requirements or limits. When you are feeling discomfort in your joints, it is highly recommended that you seek the advice of a healthcare professional in order to receive a thorough evaluation. They are able to provide individualized guidance that is tailored to your particular health requirements and problems. Alterations to one's diet may not be sufficient in all circumstances. In certain instances, it may be recommended to seek medical help or participate in physical therapy.